In this video, I'm gonna show you on how to read a so-called tape measure or measuring tape. This is a flexible roller to measure size or a distance. This tool has two units, the metric system and the English system. The difference of the two, the metric system is simply moves the decimal point to convert between its measurement, in which millimeter, meters, centimeter, decimeter are belongs in the system, while the English system requires a conversion ratio or a unit factor to move between measurement, in which inches, feet, yard are belongs on the system. So now we proceed the English system on how to read, and just to give you an idea, then the first line is 1:30 seconds, the second line is 1:16, then the next one is 3:30 seconds, then we move here 17:30 seconds, 5:8, 25 over 30 seconds, and the 1 inches is 32 over 32 seconds. That's why this is 1. So now we get the ratio that is required for some other cases. So first, to get the ratio, just to count how many sixteenths and how many eighths. Then just start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1 is equivalent to 16 over 16 or 1 inch. Then in 16 we have 16. Then we get the eighths. We have 1, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1 inch is also 8 eighths. So then we got 16, and we have 8 also, 8 eighths, and 16 sixteenths. Okay. Then if somebody wondering why this is 4 eighths, it's because this is 2 8. So we have 16 sixteenths, we have 8 eighths. Then again I count, this is 1 8. 1/4 is equivalent to 2 8, so divided by 2, so it turns to 1/4. And then this is another 3. 1/2 is equivalent to 4 8, so divided by 4, then it turns to 1/2. Then another 8, then this is 8 also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 1 is 8 8. So we have 16 sixteenths and we have 8 eighths. So we need to calculate on that. So this is 48. So we have 128 in 1 inch. So meaning in 0 to 1 inch, we have 28. So the ratio of the scale is 1 over 28. So in the metric system, so the first short line, this is 1 millimeter, this is 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter, 4 millimeter, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And now we proceed to example number 1. So in that example, so the marked line, the reading is 1. Okay, the reading is 1 15, 30 seconds. And the millimeter, that is more than 37 mm. So to make it clear, so we need to calculate to check it out if that is correct. So we have to first, we have to convert to decimal. 15 divided by the 32. So this is 0. So we need 0. This is 4. This is 120. Then again, this is 2. This is 2. Then cannot be, just borrow 0. Then 6. Then 32. So that is 192. Then again, this is 8. This is 2. Then again, borrow again, 0 here. Then that is 8. Then let's see. Just give a comment if my calculation is not right. So then take down here. So this is 4, this is 2, and again just put 0. Take 7 to be exact. So this is 14 and 22. Okay, check it out. So this is 16. So we need only that 4 digit, but I calculate up to 7 digit. So now we proceed. So the counting now is 1 inches, 0.4687 inches. So this is inch. So we need to convert it to millimeter to check if that is 37 mm. Then to check on that, we have to cross conversion. This is right calculation. So suppose this is inches times 25.4. Okay, 25.4. This is millimeter. Then in 1 inches, in 1 inch, so that is 25 millimeters. So we cancel this unit. So the remaining unit is millimeter. So okay, the total is 37.31. So the mark line on the example number 1, that is 37.31, and that is right. So now we proceed the second example. So the reading on the line, the mark line is 1. That is 1 inches and 3/16. So that is 1 inches and 3/16. So again, to calculate, to check the millimeter if that is 30 something, so we need to calculate again by cross conversion. This is inches, so we need to convert it to millimeters. So to get it done, so just this is 1 inch, this this is 3 divided by 16, that is 1. So that is inches. Then again, the sign is inches. 1 inch is equivalent to 25.4. So just try to calculate. Okay, we have to calculate the 25. Okay, 0.4. See what is 0. This is 4, 5, this is 7, this is 4. Then of course 5, this is 3, and this is 9, and again and this is 5. So this is 4, and this is 7, and again this is 3, and this is 2. So I need the two to sum up in all digit. So this is it, and this is 9, this is 4, and so this is 2, so this is 10, and this is 3 mm. So the answer here is 30.1 mm. So the mark line of the sample, so that is 30.1498, and that is right. So now we proceed the third example. So the line on the picture, it is almost between 3.8 and 30 seconds. So now, so it's time to use fraction. So take down here, this is the reading is 1.38 inches plus 128. So to calculate, just find the least common denominator. So the LCD is 128. So what number that can use to multiply it and to get 128? So let's say 16. Then 16 times 8, that is 128. And 128 divided by 16, that is 8. Then of course times 3, then plus 1. Okay, so again 16 times 8, 128. 128 divided by 8 equals 16. So 16 times 3 plus 1. So write down here. Sorry. This is 16 times 3. So it's 3 is here, then 1. So 40 plus 1. So this is 49. Then we have a 1 inch. Then over 128. Then divide by 4. So divide by 4. So this is 12 over 30 seconds. So the answer is 1 inch, 12.25 over 32. Then to make it clear, we have to divide 12.25 32, and that is 3828 and 1 inch. Then this is inches again. We convert it into millimeter. So 25.4 mm. Then inch. So 1 inch is equivalent to 125. Cancel. So cancel. Then the answer is 35 mm. And the answer is right. So thank you guys. I hope you learn a lot. Thank you for watching.